Welcome to your 2-minute tour of 49B Adelaide Street, a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single lock-up duplex currently for rent through Adelaide. As you step through the door, you are greeted by a nice long hallway that leads you straight down to the living area. The first and front bedroom features ceiling fans and a mirrored built-in wardrobe. At another angle here, you can see said mirrored built-in wardrobe. The second bedroom features the same ceiling fan and built-in wardrobe combination. This one is the master, as you can tell by its much larger space than the previous two, also featuring the ceiling fan and the built-in wardrobe space. This modernly designed bathroom contains a separate bath and shower combo with the toilet separate, making getting ready in the morning easier for the entire family. This quite large and spacious area is the kitchen and living combination. The kitchen features a quite large pantry, lots of cupboard space and a dishwasher, and the living room contains a ceiling fan and air conditioning for comfort all year round. Another angle here in the living room shows the other side of the kitchen space, including the fridge area and oven, and also another view of the living space. The back balcony overlooks an empty lot, bringing you nice and close to nature and the Australian wildlife, a perfect place to enjoy your morning or afternoon tea. And here is a bottom view of the backyard that has access straight down to the front of the house, features the clothesline, and also has a access gate to that back empty lot, which creates a short 5-minute walk to Augustus Park just down the road. Okay, that concludes our property tour of 49B Adelaide Street. Feel free to call the office on 07 3807 7900 or hop on over to the Adelaide website to submit an application.